Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Maryann. I'm a student of E86 Limited. I enrolled under data analysis, the course data analysis, and this is my first presentation on advanced Excel. On my topics, I'll be going through the if, or, and formulas in Excel, and I will also be touching a bit of Go Seek and Solver. So please, if you may, you can join me. Let's explain a little bit further on how it works. Okay. We have the if. First and foremost, I have a large data that is a market-based data. This data is for a marketing company that deals on beverages in the United States of America. Now, what I'm going to explain, the if analysis I'm going to explain first, helps management to know who has done a good job, which of the salespeople have done a good job, and which of them have done a bad job. Or let me rephrase by saying whose sales are good and whose are bad. So if analysis helps you to do that, like as you can see here now, I used 1,000 using revenue as our base for determining a bad or good sale. We use the revenue. Now, here the question I as management is asking is, which of the salespeople made more than $1,000 in their sale? And if you have made more than $1,000 in your sale, that is a single analysis under if. That means your sale will be reviewed. Your sale review will be good. But if you have made anything under 1,000, your sale review will be bad. As we can see from the summation here, from the sum we've worked, this guy here made less than 1,000 and his sales returned as bad. Same with the next person, his sale returned as bad. But this guy has made over 1,000, which is what I use as my base, $1,000, and you can see his sales have returned as good. It has returned as good here because same with the 4,000, good. Okay, so if analysis helps you at a glance, at the touch of your keyboard, tells you the people that their sales are good or their sales are bad, or in your own technical jargon in your company, you can choose to use whatever to describe this column. Now, going over to bonus. I called it bonus because here I want to use the or analysis. The if analysis has given us just one window, good or bad. Now the or is telling us that this guy can make either $1,000 and above, or have his shipping costs reduced to less than 49. So here I have, it's either you make in revenue more than 1,000, or at least you cut costs for management, let your shipping costs be low. Now, if you meet either of the criteria, you get a bonus. And in the or, it returns as false and true. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. I want to use this opportunity to thank my instructor. He's been like a brother, Mr. Dami. Then the management of E86, they've all been so wonderful. Elizabeth, Mr. Gwenga, all of them, I can't just mention, they've been wonderful. And we still hope to spend a lot of time with them, bonding. And I encourage you out there to come and join us. In this place, you get value for your money. This is the way to go in this generation. Thank you and God bless.